Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and this is going to be my third follow-up / charge test video for the CMF Watch Pro. So yeah, this one was pretty interesting. So for this test, I did always on display on for the watch, I did raise to wake on for the watch, and then I just kept everything set up how I had it. So all my notifications pushing, all my phone calls, so on and so forth. And this one lasted just over 3 days. So from my last video, I put it on the charger at 12. It came off a little bit after 2. And now I'm just putting it back on the charger at about 5:28 in the morning, Sunday morning. So it lasted a little bit over 3 days. So I can definitely tell you the quickest way to kill the battery on your CMF Watch Pro: leave raise to wake on, leave always on display on, and just have all your notifications pushing normally, and that battery will drop. So by far, I can also tell you the best way to get the best battery life so far is to just turn off always on display and turn off raise to wake, and you're gonna get the best battery life. Then all you have to do when you get a notification is click the crown button, and there you go. That will by far give you the best battery life. So I can tell you, so far I'm getting between 3 and 11 days of battery, depending on how I set up the watch. Now, as I did with the last update video, I'm gonna go ahead and throw up the charge times in the video in post, so y'all will know how long it took to charge. And this is charging the watch from 10% to full. So we've done 20% to full, we've done 15% to full, and now we are doing 10% to full. So we have one more charge test to do after this, and then we'll be ready to do the full review. And I gotta tell you guys and gals, there's definitely some issues with this smartwatch that need to be resolved. So CMF, by nothing, you guys definitely got some work to do, because we definitely have some connection issues via Bluetooth. I'm gonna highlight that in the full review, and I'm not sure if that has to do with my iPhone or just a Bluetooth connectivity issue in general. Again, I'll dive into that in depth more in my full review video, and I'm interested to see if I have the same issues on my Android device. So we're doing the first 30-day review, pairing up the watch to an iOS device, and we'll do the second 30-day review pairing up the watch to an Android device. So I'm real interested to see if I'm gonna have the same issues on Android that I have on iOS. But I'll report those issues and my overall experiences and opinions in the upcoming full review. Hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. Hope you guys and gals found it helpful, and I will see you guys and gals in the next one. I hope everyone has a good one. Peace.